Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect a pendrive to Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. If you want to use your pendrive and connect it to your Motorola, then you need to use an adapter that looks pretty much like this. So over here we have the USB-C and here we have the normal USB, and we need to simply plug the pendrive to the adapter. These adapters are pretty cheap, you can find it pretty much anywhere on the internet, and then we need to connect the adapter with the pendrive. There we go. And once you do that, you should see the notification that the device was detected, and we can just tap on the notification in order to open it, and we can choose Files by Google to do so. So let's press just once in this case, and here we have everything that we have on our pendrive. You can also open the mentioned Files by Google app over here, and here in all storage you will find the pendrive somewhere over here. In my case it is called trans memory, and I can access everything that I have on my pendrive from here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.